Hello everyone, very good evening to all of you. So yes, hi Sejal, hi Akshata, hi Vinod, hi Ashiyan, hi Harshini, Pranavi, a very good evening to all of you. So students, just do let me know if I am audible and visible to all of you or not. Yeah, I think I am pretty audible. Ashiyan is saying good night. No dear, it is good evening right now. And we have a lot of things to study today. Hi Vinod, very good evening. Madhavi, yes, I think I am audible well. Yes, so dear, now we will be solving top 20 PYQs from the chapter solutions. Okay, so I have picked up very important questions, and not only the questions, we have I'll say as if we have resumed the Sankalp series on your demand, and now the smart way of preparation is to focus more on question solving, and that is what I want to do today. And all of you, please sit with a notebook and a pen, and you have to score yourself. Okay, if you are able to give the correct answer, you have to give +1 to yourself, and if you are doing any mistake, you have to give 0. And at the end of the session, we will be discussing who has scored 20 out of 20. Okay, so yes, we have a lot of students today online. Hitu, hi. Akshata, hi, good evening. Tara Devi, very good evening. Pranavi, Harshini, Nagaraj, yes, very good evening. Session we will be trying to, as soon as you solve the questions, the session will over. 20 questions, it should not be taking more than 30 to 40 minutes, my prediction, but let's see how it goes. Okay, Tara Devi, yeah, okay, I have taken your question. Then Asian, how are you, ma'am? I am very good, dear. How are you? Yes, so we have 50 students live now. Aishwarya Kamat is there, Abhishek is there, yes, Akshata is there, Sejal is there. So hi to all of you, and let's get started without any further delay. Okay, let's get started. And here is the first question for all of you. Yes, you have to find the answer, and see here, this was the recent question this year, and such an easy question has been asked. So which of the following methods of expressing the concentration are unitless? So option A is molality and mole fraction, mass percentage and molality, molality and molarity, mole fraction and mass percentage. So you have to put the question number and then you have to answer. Okay, put down the question number, and then let me see, 54 students are there. I want to see the options very quickly. Saundarya, Pranavi, Sridevi, Vinod, Manjula, Asian Warriors, all of you are absolutely correct. Yes, mole fraction and mass percentage. Now you know that for mole fraction also, in the numerator I have number of moles, in the denominator also I have number of moles, so that gets cancelled. Mass percentage also, numerator gram, denominator gram will get cancelled. Option number 4 is the correct answer. Yes, let's move to question number 2. Again from the concentration terms 2022, this question was asked. An aqueous solution of alcohol contains 11 gram of water and 414 gram of ethyl alcohol. The mole fraction of water is. Okay, so very simple question, direct question, so please take your time and solve it. Take your time and then solve it. Yes, please take your time and then solve it. Okay, so what is the mass of water? 11 gram of water, right? So let me just write down. I am also solving, you are also solving. Let's see who solves first. Okay, mass of the water which is there, 11 gram, and we know that molar mass of water is 18 gram per mole, right? That is there. Next we have 414 gram of ethyl alcohol. So I have ethyl alcohol, how much? 414 grams. Then what is the molar mass of ethyl alcohol? So you can just calculate, but I have remembered it. It is 46 gram per mole. Okay, so this is the help, the time you save here when you remember the molar masses of mostly commonly used compounds. Your time is saved. Okay, so now what is the number of moles of water I'll get here? 11 by 18, right? And what is the number of moles of ethyl alcohol? That is given mass by molar mass, 414 divided by 46. Can we cancel this one? Can we cancel this one? Yes, ma'am. 46 into 9 is 414. So this I'll get 9. Okay. So now let's calculate the mole fraction of water. Be very careful here. The question is asking you about the mole fraction of water. So what I will have? Number of moles of water, right, divided by number of moles of water plus number of moles of ethyl alcohol. So that is 11 by 18 divided by 11 by 18 plus 1. Okay, so if I just add this one, how much I will get here? You can easily solve this one. 11 by 18 whole divided by 18 plus 11, how much I have? 1 second, did I did any mistake here? 11 gram of water. Yes, 414 and 46. Yes, I have got here correct answer, right? Question 2, option 3, I am getting yes. So if you solve this, students, this is actually 9. Yes, here I have done a small mistake. This is 9 here. Now if I solve this, I'll get 0.06, which is option number C, and many of you have told this correct. Yes. Ishan, it is there is no such it is not like how many years. All the I have considered questions from last 10 years which were also most important, tricky, important concept questions that I have picked up. Okay, from last 10 years questions I have picked up. Yes, all of you who are saying C, this is absolutely correct. Okay. Yes, so students, now just I want to introduce you to all our KC90 online crash course. Many of you have requested, ma'am, we need online crash course, we need online crash course. So we have bought this, and KC90 comprises of KCET and COMEDK 90 days online crash course. And here what are the things you will be getting? You will be getting complete 11th and 12th years, sorry, 1 second. Yes, you will, your entire 11th and 12th syllabus will be covered. Okay, you will be getting chapter wise PYQs and DPPs, and the best part here is you will be getting our test series absolutely free. Okay, our test series will be for you. Then the best part here again is your PU2 board test series will also be provided. Live doubt solving classes will be there, downloadable notes and PDFs will be there, and you will get access to our exclusive WhatsApp community where you can chat with us, you can put down your doubts, you can discuss among your friends. Okay, and yes, our offline course is also available. Link is there in the description section. Now for this online crash course, the price is 9,999. Offer is going on right now. If you want to take only KCET crash course, you will get it for 5,999. Only COMEDK crash course for 5,999. Okay. Now here you can see everything that is required to crack an exam is available. You just need to take, and the link is there in the description section. Please go there, check it right now. And the courses, the classes are starting from 1st of November, so very few days are left. Other students who have already taken are ahead of you, so just don't miss this opportunity and click on the link given below. Okay. Yes, now let's move forward with question number 3. Again, this question was from KCET 2025, latest question. Variation of solubility with temperature T for a gas and liquid is shown by the following graphs. The correct representation is yes. Yes. Akshata, we will finish it by 6:15. We will try. Okay. Yes, question students, please answer this question. What happens to the solubility of gas in liquid when the temperature increases? Remember, when temperature increases, solubility of gas decreases, right? You have remembered? So when temperature increases, solubility of gas will decrease. So here it is increasing. Temperature is increasing, solubility is increasing. No, ma'am, this is not correct. Here, temperature with solubility, first the solubility increases and then the solubility decreases. Is it? No, it only decreases. So yes, this is also wrong. Here there is no effect of temperature on solubility. How can that happen? Temperature is a major factor in solubility. So yes, this is also wrong, and our correct answer is option number B. And here everyone is saying Nagaraj, Hazira, Harshini, Asian, Saundarya, everyone, Vinod, Ananta, Viresh, Manjula, Mahibora, Shubham, Shiz, Madhavi, all are absolutely correct here. Let's move to question number 4 from 2022. Solubility of gas in a liquid increases with. Okay, again very good question. Increase of pressure, decrease of temperature, decrease of pressure, decrease of temperature, increase of pressure, increase of temperature, decrease of pressure, and increase of temperature. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, yes, dear. No. Pranavi, it is not for Henry's constant. Isn't the slope of second graph Henry's constant, ma'am? Yes, the slope will be Henry's constant, but here we don't have to find that. The question is simply asking the relation between solubility and the temperature. Okay. Yes, I have got the answer for the fourth question. Harshini, Saundarya, Marudesh. Asian Warriors has given a different answer. Manjula, Raghavan, Nagaraj, Ananta, Viresh, Sudha B, Akshata. Yes, everyone. Option number A is correct. So by Henry's law, we know that when I increase the pressure, solubility of the gas increases. And with decrease in temperature, the solubility of the gas will increase. When you increase the temperature, the gas molecules get so much of kinetic energy and they escape out. So that is why temperature should be low, pressure should be high. Moving forward to the next question, that is question number 5. Yes, this is very good question. All of you should try this question. If N2 gas is bubbled through water at 293 Kelvin, how many moles of N2 gas would dissolve in 1 liter of water? Assume that N2 exerts a partial pressure of 0.987 bar. KH value is 76.48 kilobar. Okay, again this is the recent question of KCET 2025 session. Okay, so now I want to solve this question because this is slightly on the trickier side. See, what is the Henry's law formula? Pressure of the gas is equal to KH into mole fraction of the gas, right? Now mole fraction of the gas, I can write number of moles of N2 divided by number of moles of what I have, water, right? See, in the denominator you need to have number of moles of N2 and number of moles of water. In the denominator you need to have, right, number of moles of N2 plus number of moles of water. Now since we have this one, number of moles of N2 in the denominator we can ignore, so I can just put number of moles of water. Okay, 5 I am getting some answers. Let us solve this one. What is the pressure of the gas? 0.987. okay, what is KH value? 76.480. okay, to kilobar I am simply writing bar, into number of moles of N2 I have found out. Number of moles of water, how to find? See, what is the volume of water? 1 liter, right? Volume of water is how much? 1 liter. And we also know that density of water is 1 gram per ml. Okay, or I can write this is 1000 ml. So what is mass of water? Mass is equal to density into volume. So that is 1000 gram I will get, right? Now what is the number of moles of water? Given mass by molar mass. So 1000 by molar mass of water is 18, which is 55.55. Okay, this number also I have remembered because many a times we need to divide this. So I can just substitute here 55.55. Okay, now let's solve this side. So I will get 0.987 into 55.55 divided by I have 76480. Okay, now we have to solve this. Now ma'am, do I have to solve this much big number? No. See how to do it very easily. So you can just round it off this to 1. Okay, this let it be 1. 0.987 can be equal to 1. Now here what I have, I can just write down this number like this. Just a minute. See how I can solve it easily. I'll tell you that. Okay, so we have here 55.55 divided by 76480. Okay, that is equal to number of moles of N2. Okay, this is what I have got. Now see, here I can write this one as 5555 into 10 to the power of minus 2 divide 1, this one 7648. Okay, this 0 is there, that goes up. Okay, I can write it like into 10, this 10 if it goes up, I can write 5555 divided by 7648 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, this much I will get. Now see, you see all the numbers here are 7.16, right? So definitely, and you know that this number if you divide, you will get less than 1. So definitely here you will get 0.716 into 10 to the power of minus 3. You can see that this number is less than 1 we will get. So now if I just arrange this one, I'll get 7.16 into 10 to the power of minus 4. You don't have to divide at all. When all the values are 7.16, when you divide, you will get 7.16. But you can understand that since the numerator is a smaller number, the value will be less than 1, so it will be 0.716. So that is why answer here is option number 2. Yes, just tell me, is it clear to everyone? Please put a thumbs up if it is clear to everyone. Yes. Okay, next question number 6, choose the correct statement. Okay, KH value is same for a gas in any solution. Higher the KH value, more is the solubility. KH value increases on increasing the temperature of the solution. Easily liquefiable gases usually have lesser KH values. Yes, it is clear. Okay, Akshay Shetty has given. Yes, here we have both the correct answers, option number 2 and option number D. Here both of them are absolutely correct. Okay, that here might be there will be some printing mistake, or I don't know, 2021 it was question. Yes, both 2 and 4 is the correct answer here. Yes, next, all of you know the 7th question. KH value of argon, carbon dioxide, formaldehyde and methane are respectively given. The increasing order of solubility of gas in liquid is. So you should know that higher the KH value, solubility will be lower. Okay, solubility will be lower. If KH value is higher, then solubility will be lower value. So now let's tell me which is the correct answer. You have to find the increasing order, means where the KH value is maximum, its solubility will be least. So where the KH value is maximum, I can see this 40.3. Okay, this is the highest value, right? And whose value is this one? It is of argon. So 1 will be the one with least solubility. So I can eliminate this option. After that, what I will have, which is the highest value, 1.67, which is of 2, that is carbon dioxide. Next, you will have option number 4, that is your option number 4, methane, and then we have option number 3. So option number A is the correct answer. Yes. Okay, Pranavi is saying, ma'am, can you please explain the previous question? Yes. So dear, you see temperature, okay? Temperature when you increase, that increases the KH value, and from Henry's law we have this formula, P is equal to KH into mole fraction of the gas. So can I write KH is equal to P by X, or solubility? So when KH value will be higher, solubility will be lesser, right? Higher the KH value, more is the solubility. That is incorrect. Higher is the KH, lesser is the solubility. So this is why this is incorrect. And easily liquefiable gases usually have lesser KH values. Yes, liquefiable gases, they can be easily be soluble, right? So their KH value will have, usually liquefiable gases usually have lesser KH values. Yes, so now they will have higher KH values because they are easily liquefiable. So that is why this statement is also incorrect. Okay. Okay, just a minute. Okay. Sorry. Yes. Okay, just a minute. Here we have done a small mistake. We have been given with correct statement. Yeah, so choose the correct statement. Okay, my bad. I'm so sorry. So which is the correct answer then for 6th one? 5B is wrong. Yes, this is incorrect. Correct. This is incorrect. Okay. KH value increases on increasing the temperature of the solution. Yes, this is correct statement. Yes, Pranavi, yes, they are asking the correct statement. Yes, sorry. Yes, C is the correct answer. Okay, yes, I am so sorry. Here there's a small mistake. The KH value increases on increasing the temperature of the solution. Yes, everyone is correct here, and thank you for no Saundarya. For both 2 and 4, if there is incorrect statement, here the question is asking for correct statement. Okay, 2 is a wrong question, the wrong statement. Okay, yes, Ananta is correct here. Okay, Next, question number 8. Solve this question number 8. This is simple question. Okay, Hazira, I will take your doubt. Yes, Mahi, I have corrected the question. Please see. I have corrected this question. You have been asked the correct statement and option number C is the correct statement here. Okay. Yes, now other students, please solve this question number 8. The vapor pressure of pure liquids A and B are 450 and 700 mm of Sg at 350 Kelvin respectively. If the total vapor pressure of the mixture is 600 mm of Sg, then the composition of the mixture in the solution is. So please try this one. Please solve this question. Take your time and solve. Yes, please take your time and solve this question, and I want answer from all of you. Yes. Let's see who has given me the correct answer. Let me see if anyone have. Okay, 8th A I am getting Saundarya, Nagaraja, Manjula, Taradevi, Pranavi, Madhavi, Hazira. Okay, Taradevi is asking me to explain this question. Okay, so dear C, we have two liquids A and B. Okay, let the mole fraction of A be X. Then what will be the mole fraction of B? 1 minus X. Right, you know mole fraction of A plus B will be equal to 1. If I am assuming this as X, this will be 1 minus X. Now what is our Raoult's law? P total is equal to P naught A X A plus P naught B X B. Right, now what is P naught A? The pure pressure of A is 450 and this is X, and pure pressure of B is 700 and this is 1 minus X. Okay, so I have now 450X plus 700 minus 700X is equal to, what is the total pressure here? The total pressure is 600. Okay, you just need to solve this. So here I will get 700 minus 450. Okay, so that will be 250x, and this side I'll get minus 100. So what will be my X value? 2 by 5, that is 0.4. So if this is 0.4, then this is 0.6. That is option number A. Yes, those who are saying option number A, that is absolutely correct. Yes. Moving to question number 9 here. Solution A contains acetone dissolved in chloroform and solution B contains acetone dissolved in carbon disulfide. Okay. Then the type of deviation from Raoult's law shown by the solution A and B respectively are. Yes, very simple question. All of you should be knowing. You have chloroform, okay, acetone and chloroform. Which type of deviation this shows? Acetone and chloroform. Students, I want all of you to comment your answers with question number. Okay, please put question number then answer so that I can know which question you are answering. Why everyone is saying B? No dear, see, when you have acetone and chloroform, that is a negative deviation. Then acetone with carbon disulfide is a positive deviation. So I have 9 is option number D. Those who are saying B, they are wrong. 9 is D. Acetone in chloroform has a hydrogen bonding, because of which there is a negative deviation. Acetone in carbon disulfide will be a positive deviation. Okay. Yes, D is the correct answer. Next, a mixture of phenol and aniline shows a negative deviation from Raoult's law. This is due to the formation of. Why there is negative deviation? The interaction increases. So what can be the reason why the interaction between this phenol and aniline increases? Yes, anyone? Question number 10. Fraction, very simple question. I want everyone to answer very quickly. Yes, 10C is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Absolutely correct here. Okay, moving to question number 11 from relative lowering of vapor pressure. Vapor pressure of a solution containing 18 gram of glucose and 178.2 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius is. Now see, this question you don't have to solve, okay? Without solving, you need to answer this question. It is very simple. See, you have added 18 gram of glucose, right? What is the pressure of water? 760 is the pure pressure of water, pure water. Now we all know that when we add a solute, the vapor pressure will decrease, right? Vapor pressure will decrease. So the vapor pressure cannot be more than 760. Option number D is eliminated. Okay. Now it will decrease to a very small extent. Okay. You cannot expect 760 to become 76 or 7.6. The decrease will be somewhere closer to 760 only. So the correct answer here has to be option number B. You don't have to do any calculation. Simple by your logic and trick, you will be able to solve this question. Right? Any doubt here? Please tell me any doubt here, or is it clear? Yes, is it clear? 11th question is clear to everyone? See, it will decrease to very small amount, okay? The value will be closer to 760 only. Yes, okay. Now let's move to next question, question number 12. The rise in the boiling point of a solution containing 1.8 gram of glucose in 100 gram of solvent, okay, is 0.1 degree Celsius. The molar elevation constant of the liquid is. Very easy formula. You have to use delta TB formula. Delta TB is equal to Kb dot m, where m is molality, W2 by M2 into 1000 by W1. Let's substitute and find out this one. So what is my delta TB? 0.1. Okay, Kb I have to calculate. What is the given mass? Given mass is 1.8, right? Molar mass is 180, because you know glucose mass, all of you should remember, it is 180, okay, into 1000 by what is the mass of the solvent? 100 grams, right? So did I get any answer? Spandana, please check your calculation, Yes, so I will get this 0, 0, this 0. Right, 1.8 by 18, this will give me 10, and this 10 if I multiply this side, so that will become 1. 0.1 into 10, which is equal to 1. Option number D here. Okay, yes, Pranavi has given me correct answer, option number D. Let's move to the next question, question number 13 here. 180 gram of glucose is dissolved in 1 kg of water in a vessel. The temperature at which the water boils at 1.013 bar is. Boiling point of pure water is given. This is also very simple question. And yes, you have to just find the new boiling point. So when I add a solute, the boiling point will increase. Initially the boiling point was 373.15. Now you have added 180 gram of glucose to the solution or to this water. So what will be the new boiling point? Here also you can very cleverly answer the question. See, it will increase. The boiling point will increase. So it cannot be this one. It cannot be this one, right? Here the boiling point will be somewhere close, means these are equal to the given values. This is less than, this is equal. So these two cannot be the answer. It can be either this one or this one, right? So we have to check that. So what is the value of delta TB? We have to find out. The formula is what? TB minus T naught B is equal to Kb into given mass by molar mass into 1000 by mass of the solvent. Let us substitute. TB I have to calculate, right? T naught B is 373.15. Kb value is how much? Kb value is 0.52, right? Yes. W given mass is 180, and we know molar mass is also 180 into 1000, and mass of the solvent is also 1000. So this everything becomes 1. So you just have to add 373.15 plus 0.52. That gives me 373.67, which is option number 4. Okay, this is also 2025 question. Okay, yes, 13th question is done. Now let's see 14th question, who is solving quickly. So students, you have to tell me your score at the end of the session, right? So please focus on question solving, and students do mention the question number and then answer. 12th one, a non-volatile, 14th question. A non-volatile solute A tetramerizes in water to the extent of 80%. 2.5 gram of A in 100 gram of water lowers the freezing point by 0.3 degrees Celsius. So the molar mass of A you have to find out, Kf value is given. Okay, this is also very simple question. You might be little bit scared with this value, but let me tell you how to solve this one. So our question is what? Delta Tf. When you have this one, you have I into Kf into m, right? Then what is I value? Alpha is equal to I minus 1 by 1 by n minus 1, right? Where n is the number of particles before dissociation. Now alpha value is how much? 0.8. 80% means 80 by 100, 0.8. I value, I minus 1, 1 by 4. Tetramerizes means 4 particles became 1 particle, right? So 1 by 4 minus 1. So if I solve this, I'll get minus 3 by 4, 4 by 3, 3 by 4. So 0.8 into minus 3 by 4 is equal to I minus 1. If I solve this, I'll get 0.6 or 0.4 here, right? So I value here will be how much? 0.4. If you don't know this formula, please note it down. So I value I have got now is 0.4, and rest everything is given. You just need to substitute here. So what is the question? You have to find the molar mass. Delta Tf value is how much? 0.3, right? Yes. Now please substitute and find out. 0.3. I value is 0.4. Kf value is 1.86. Okay. Then here given mass is how much? Okay, 1 second. 2.5 gram. Okay, then I have molar mass I have to find out into 1000, then by mass is 100, right? Just try to solve this question. So I can have, see, I can just take this one m here, then I'll just have 0.4 into 1.86 into 2.5 into this. If I divide, I'll get 10 divided by 0.3, right? So yes, so 25 into 4 is 100. So I'll get 100 here, 1, that is 10, 18.6. So this one will give me 62. So that is your option number A here. Okay. Okay. Next, let's move to question number 15th. Other students, please solve this question. I'll take some comments here. Yes, Tara Devi, PDF will be sent in the WhatsApp group. So please join our WhatsApp channel. Link is there in the description section. And 20 questions are there, Asya. 20 questions are there in the session. Manvita Reddy, to get the online crash course, payment will be done by my mom. Then how can I access through it? My phone. So dear, you can register from your phone. Payment you can do from your mother's phone also. So please just register, and then you will be getting a call back also. So you can purchase in that way. Register by your number. Okay. Here, Uday Kumar, can you explain question number 14? Yes, dear, I have already explained here. You can see that, just a minute. Yeah, so we have this alpha value. First I have to calculate because it is not complete dissociation. So alpha value after I complete, then the normal TF formula I have to apply and find the molecular mass here. Okay. Next, question number 15, the swelling in feet can be cured by osmosis. Yes, absolutely correct. Edema, all of we know, it is cleared by osmosis. Next, question number 16, which of the following pairs of the solution is isotonic? Very important question. Isotonic means the osmotic pressure should be equal, and you know that osmotic pressure formula is what? I into C into R into T. So for all the options you have to check I into C, where I into C is same for both the components. There the isotonic solution will be there. Okay, let's start with option number A. Here if you see, we will get 5 ions. I value is 5 and this is 0.001, so it will be 0.005. And here how much it will be? 0.01, and here I have 3, so I'll have 0.03 here. Now talking about B, I have 2 plus 1, 3, so 0.003. Okay, and then we have 3 plus 2, 5, I'll get 0.005. These are not equal. Now coming to option number C, you will have 2 plus 1, 3, and here 0.03, right? And here you will get 2 plus 1, 3, so 0.003. This is also not equal. Now if you see option number D here, you have 2 plus 1, 3, so 0.03, right? And here you will have 2 into 0.15, that is also 0.03. So here I am getting the I into C value same, so this one will be isotonic, option number D. Yes, Vinod, Abhikumar and Madhavi are absolutely correct, okay? Yes, Tanush, you will get access to our Abhyas test series freely, okay? And 17th question, 0.06% W by V aqueous solution of urea is isotonic with. Very simple question. Now you should understand what is this 0.06 W by V. That means the solution volume is 100 ml and mass of the solute is 0.06. So what is this concentration here? See, given mass is 0.06 and urea, you know, molar mass is 60 into 1000. And what is the volume given? Volume is 100. So if I solve this, 0 will cancel, this one will cancel, I'll get 0.01. So where the molarity is 0.01, you can easily see that in option number D, this is 0.01. So you don't have to do any other calculation. You can directly, yes, that is option number D here. Yes, we know this is absolutely correct. What will be the Kf value if molality is increased? So dear Rocky, Kf value will remain constant. Since it is a constant value, it will be changed only on the changing of the temperature, okay? Otherwise, in all other conditions, it remains constant. Now let's do some questions from Van 't Hoff factor. Dimerization of solute molecules in low dielectric constant solvent is due to. Why do we have dielectric constant? Why do we have dimerization? Yes, Rocky, I have already answered. There will be no change in the Kf. Yes, Uday, if you prepare thoroughly from now and if you need proper guidance, you can definitely consider a crash course there. Everything will be done. So yes, you can get, if you start preparing from right now seriously. Pranavi, you will be getting at least 3 to 5 questions from this one chapter. Very, very high weightage chapter. Okay. I have got question number, Monica has given me correct answer, that is hydrogen bond. We have the best example is the dimerization of acetic acid in benzene, and that is due to hydrogen bond formation. Yes, Madhavi has also given me the correct answer. 19th question, among the following 0.1 m aqueous solution, which one will exhibit lowest boiling point elevation assuming complete ionizations of the compound? KCET 2025 question, okay? Lowest boiling point where it will take place. So you see, delta TB is equal to I into KB into M, right? Now delta TB will be lowest where I will be lowest. You have to calculate the I value. Here the I value is 5, here the I value is 3, here the I value is 2, and here it is 4. So where the I value is lowest, there the delta TB will be lowest. Yes, sodium chloride, C is the correct answer. Last question, which of the following aqueous solution should have the highest boiling point? So just now you have seen lowest boiling point. Now the question is asking you highest boiling point. So yes, again very simple question. All of you can try this. Where the delta TB value, where the I value will be higher, there the boiling point will be higher, right? So yes, here we have I value is 2, here I have I value 3, you can see 2 Na and 1 SO4, here I value is 2, and here also the I value is 2, K plus and NO3 minus. So where it is highest, here it is highest, so here it will have highest value, so that is why option number B. No dear, 20 will be B. Yes, Madhavi is correct here. 20 will be B here. Okay. So students, if you want to learn more with us, if you want to solve more questions with us, we have this KC90 crash course. There we will be having more solving of PYQs and DPPs will be there. Abhyas test series will be absolutely free for all of you. PU2 test series will be there. So do consider this one a best product for you to secure your top 1000 rank. Everything will be done on time and with full clarity, and the price is just 5,999. So please check the link in the description section. And yes, Okay, Asian Warriors is having a doubt how to calculate I value. So dear, you just have to calculate the number of ions produced. NaOH will give you Na plus and OH minus, so I value is 2. Na2SO4 will give you 2 sodium and 1 sulfate ion, so that is why I value is 3. Here you will get 1 ammonium ion and 1 nitrate ion, so I value is 2. K plus and NO3 minus, so here you will get I value is 2, right? Yes. Hazira, for offline, you have to connect to our team. The link is there in the description section. Connect to our team, they will help you with this, okay? Yes, so students, do now the best part, interesting part is still remaining. You have to put down your scores. Out of 20, how much you have scored. Quickly check your scores and put down. Let me see how many of you have done it correctly. Manvita, you can just download our app Deeksha Vedantu, and from there you can use, and also the link is there in the description section. If you click on the link, you will be directed to our website. From there also you can purchase the course, okay? Hazira is saying 16, Uday is saying 18, Aishwarya 16, Spandana is 12, okay? Okay, we have the topper here, I think Avi Kumar 19, okay? Asian Warriors, I have already explained. You have to just calculate the number of ions present, okay? Yes, Nagaraj is 18. So dear, as you can see, I'll give you this example. See, sulfate 3 ions, aluminium 2 ions, total 5 ions, so I value is 5. 2 potassium, 1 sulfate, I value is 3. 1 sodium, 1 chlorine, I value is 2. Aluminium chloride will have 4 values, right? So I hope this session was good. So students, did you enjoy solving questions with me? Dimerization means when 2 particles get converted to 1 particle, okay? The 2 molecules dimerizes. Tetramerizes means 4 particles will tetramerize. Abhi Kumar, link is there in the description section. Please click on the link. You will be directed to our website. From there you can make the payment and join the course. Please hurry up because the classes are starting from 1st of November. Yes, okay. Tara Devi, PDF link will be there in the WhatsApp, in our WhatsApp group, not in this one. Here you will get the link of our KC90 crash course, okay? Okay, my dear children, I hope that was a very good session and I am very much happy with your active participation, and I hope you continue this. Every day we will be coming live at 5:30 p.m, different subjects, different chapters, and will be preparing you for our KCET 2026 examination. Elaine, the WhatsApp group link is there in the description section. Please check there. You can join this, okay? Yes, Abhi Kumar, link is there in the description section for WhatsApp group. Please click on the link and you can join that. Okay, dear. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. And yes, once again, do consider this crash course, and this is going to be very, very helpful for your preparation, and it will be a very good guidance. Do consider it. Link is there in description section. And yes, that's all in this session, and all the best. Hazira, for offline classes, please contact our team. They will definitely help you, okay? Yes, Mahibora, PDFs will be available in the WhatsApp group. Please join the WhatsApp group, okay? Thank you, everyone.